Hey, how you doing? Quick little update here from us over at Audiojack. Want to thank everyone out there, and there's a lot of you out there for downloading the app and using it, whether you're using it in education with art and writing programs or health programs in the different hospitals and programs that we're working with now, or just for your own sake of getting off a screen and having something fun to engage your imagination. I've got three quick little updates for you here. The first one is that there are two new Audiojacks available in the adventure category. They're both based on really old stories you might remember from Sunday school, something we wanted to have a little fun with. The first one's called Goliath, and then the other one is 2 by 2. Please check those out and let us know what you think. And if any of you are in the Sunday school space, I think this will be pretty fun to add to your lesson plans. We had a lot of fun with it. Also, Goliath, if you have a system with some bass in it, I highly recommend cranking that one up. It's pretty cool. The second thing we want to mention is we've been doing a lot of research here at Audiojack with different programs and people out there to find out why it's so effective. Why are people using Audiojack globally in so many different areas? And it came down to a couple core things. We found that 68% of people out there are daydreaming less. And that's a problem because when you daydream, you're actually refreshing your mind. You get a very light form of REM activity that's healthy. When people tend to have time to daydream and let their mind wander, they pull out a phone and start playing games and things like that. And that's fun and all, but doing it excessively increases stress and anxiety. So using Audiojack acts as a reprieve. We've also been doing some work with UC Riverside's Brain Institute, and it's been wonderful. We got some very encouraging results recently that talk about Audiojack's use instead of video when you're taking a break and seeing how refreshed you feel. What we found is that after 6 days of use, Audiojack starts to get really consistent in making sure that you're more alert, you're less sleepy and less distracted when you go back to work from taking a break. It's pretty neat stuff, and we'll be doing more research with this and the program starting in the fall as well. But these numbers are what's really launching Audiojack into some unique special places. Microsoft just bought thousands of subscriptions to be able to give out to their employees, and other programs are doing the same as well because we're on a screen for roughly 16 hours a day, whether it's a computer, a TV, a phone, or something like that. And that's kind of crazy. It's pretty intense. So being able to take a 5-minute Audiojack break and letting your mind wander is really healthy and really effective. And there's over 50 of them to choose from, so there's definitely something in there to give you a little bit of a break. And it's not meditation. We're not asking you to follow a guide or do something like this. We're asking you to daydream and let your mind wander. And that leads us to our third topic, which is our work with Bose and the Bose AR program. Right now, there's a special Audiojack in the AR category that works with the Bose frames or QC2 noise canceling headphones. And what you can do is at certain moments in the story, you can nod left or nod right, and the story will branch off and change. And already in Audiojack, you're experiencing so many different things, but now you can change the story and find different little paths to go. So at about 35 seconds into the first one, if you nod left, just wait and see what happens. And we're also releasing a new one coming out to have a little fun with one of my favorite sports, bowling. Yes, you'll be able to virtually bowl in an Audiojack. You'll hear the approach, and if you nod left or right at certain times during the approach, you'll get different results on your head movement and how the ball goes down the lane and whether you get a strike or not. And you'll have the opportunity to win the 10th frame with a turkey, which is 3 strikes in a row if you nod correctly. That one's coming out soon, and we have some other really neat features. Just wanted to do a quick thank you to everyone out there, from everyone here at Audiojack, at our team and all our creators, our people on the tech end, sales, our reps around the world that are working with us. We love the support you've given us. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, requests, whatever, just shoot us a message here and we'll get right back to you. Thanks again, and take back your imagination.